for now, I've hooked up this vacuum line going to the wastegate. Again, we'll switch that whenever I get a new line, but for right now, I'm gonna go see if I can drive it. Hope I don't set anything on fire with this thing. All right, guys, here's the maiden voyage. That was weird. All right, the 3-step is not working right at all. As I'm going down the road, so that's not right. Alright, so we still got a little bit of work to do here. Car actually seems to be running okay now, just won't rev up, so I think the tune's got to be adjusted some. So I did some data logging with this. I'm going to send this to the tuner, let him see what's going on. Still need to get the air intake temp. This is the old one that's just hanging there right now, so I gotta get a hole drilled in the piping, get the new one screwed in, and get the wastegate figured out. So that should be about it. But it is running and driving now. Alright guys, got the new chip in here, so let's take a look at it and see what this little thing looks like. Excited to get it in. Right, there it is. Get this thing plugged in and see what happens. Sweet. Also, it's a terrible day to be doing this. It is just really, really nasty outside today, but oh well. Okay. There is our chip. I'm gonna pull this out and see if we can get the other one in. Not sure how hard this is to get up out of here. Whew. Okay, got the old chip out, and the little half moon at the end down here goes towards the wires. So you can see that the other one's the same thing. The half moon is going towards the wires. So we're getting this one the same way. The other one was a little bit of a beast to get out. So try to get this one lined back up perfectly and get it down in here and see what happens. Alright, new chip's in. Got the battery hooked back up out there. Let's try this thing, see what happens. So switch on. Alright, switch in. And just lost my battery. Maybe dead. Alright, I twisted the battery connections. That's all it was. Battery connection. Well, let this thing warm up and see what happens. Alright, here's the second voyage, and I actually left the tablet at the house, so I can't do the data logging on it, but I can at least run it down the road and see what it feels like, see if it made a difference. Doesn't feel much better. Misfiring the whole time now. idling, trying to full throttle there. So now I'm gonna hook up the stock ECU and still see how it runs there. So here's the stock ECU hooked back up. Try that. So stock ECU runs fine. Alright guys, so after working on the car and just going back and forth trying to get the thing going and going back and forth with the tuner trying to figure out what was wrong, what we're thinking is the map sensor. So even though I put a new map sensor on it, it said it was a 3-bar, it said 100% stock replacement, so it was acting just like a stock map sensor, and the tune is set up for like an Omni Power 3-bar. So I've got a new 3-bar map sensor coming in. This is from Sparks Racing off eBay. So looks to be pretty good, and get that. And I sent the information to the tuner. He's going to send me a new chip that's based off of the Sparks Racing map sensor, and we're thinking that's probably the issue, is that it just can't figure out, you know, the amount of air coming through there. So get that put in, get the new chip put in, hopefully next week and get all that done. But I want to go ahead and throw this video out there because it's been a couple weeks in the making, just trying to get this video done and figure out what's going on in the car and get the new chip in and all that stuff. So this is where we're at, and we'll see how it goes. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Thanks.